Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today I want to do a quick video showing you guys these outdoor deck lights. So if you have an outdoor deck or patio or some place that you would like to illuminate, these might be a great option for you. You actually get 6 lights in this pack. It's going to work with Meta, Alexa, Google Home. Let's take a look at exactly what you get in the box. Starting off, you're going to be greeted with all of your standard Govee documentation, including your starter manual. You also get 2 additional boxes inside. Let's go through each one of these boxes one at a time, and I'll show you guys what we get. So in the smaller box here, you're going to receive your power brick as well as the cables that you're going to connect to the patio lights. You also receive some mounting brackets and screws as well. Here in the second box is where you're going to find your actual lights. Now these will also come with your 3M tape as an option. You also have some zip tie options as well that also have 3M tape on them. Here are the actual lights, and as you guys can see, we actually have 6 of these lights. And on this side right here, you're going to find your connector for your power, and all you do there is you're just going to plug these 2 in like so, and then you'll be able to tighten down like that, and then you'll be able to connect to your lights for power. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect these lights to power so you guys can see what these lights look like when they turn on. As you guys can see, you get a variety of different colors that are optional with these lights. So these are RGB, so you could set them to, a continuous color, or have them cycle, or even have each light a different color depending on where you want to place them. So as you guys can see, these are some very beautiful lights. Now on the back of them, as I mentioned before, they have these little brackets, and that's where the hardware that comes with these is going to come into play. You're just going to lock these guys down wherever you want the light to be shining, and then you're going to have some downward facing light. Now these are designed to be used outdoors, but again, I know a lot of people that will use these indoors, like in an indoor bar or area in the home where they want, this type of ambient light. It could literally be anywhere. So don't limit yourself to just what you see on the box, but these are designed to be outdoor lights. So they do have an IP rating. They are perfect for outdoors, all weather conditions, no problem there. All right, guys, so I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you guys some of the cool things that come with these patio lights. Hopefully this video has been helpful. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.